everybody and join me in our journey as we travel the unknown parts of Bombay and Thane. So we are on our way to our first destination in Vasai. That's called Pelhar Lake. So here we go. We are almost there at the first destination of Pelhar Lake, so we had to get off a vehicle. We couldn't drive on this road, and that's Newton and Stephen, my companions of the day. So we thought we'll walk it out for a bit until we reach the destination, and let's see how things go about. There seems to be a cattle farm here. So this place is located between Virar and Nalasopara, if I'm not mistaken. And to reach the destination, it's about... to start with, we have started a journey from Andheri, and it has taken us 1 hour to drive here. And we need to walk another 200 meters to get to the final point. So I'll keep you posted. Well, there wasn't only one cattle farm, there are quite a lot, as I'll show it to you. So all those sheds that you can see, those are all cattle farms. There's a good mountain range as well. Right up there, I think that's the dam. So we have quite a bit to walk, and the destination should be there in quite some time.
नहीं मैं निकलता हूँ फोटो नाम बदल क्या फोटो एक नंबर। थैंक यू सब बनाए मेरे को तो अभी ऐसा लगता है ना ज्यादा घूमेगा ना पाँच बनाए आधा मार
Okay, it's tiring. Where I thought it would be a happy journey, well, it's turning out to be a tiring one. Yeah, and this is why. On a cool November morning, it's not permissible to sweat. Well, here we are, and we have a lot to go. It's quite a climb. I was mistaken that it would be close by. So yeah, we are still on our way to the top of the dam or the lake. People, some of them may call it a dam, some of them may call it a lake, but yeah, it actually comprises of both. Okay, so I actually have a view that I can show you guys. You can go ahead now. So we have decided to go ahead onto a even more secluded location where we can have a better view. It would be advisable not to wear shorts or half pants on this trail. Well, let me show you why. Stephen, I'm showing your legs. So I believe we have reached the top. There would be some more to go, but yeah, we are damn tired to go ahead. So yeah, this is the view that we would like to show you.
Very slow. Here they don't have to do anything. No? That fellow's watchman cam is there. He comes, he just sits. He just has to look. Yeah, he must be coming like this.
Coming right up till here.
There.
Worth it.
That location is there. They come to drink. Phone kar.
बारिश के टाइम पे रहता है नेक्स्ट टाइम बारिश के टाइम पे आएंगे जाना
So we are done with the first destination for the day. That's Pellar Dam, as you can see. On on to our next destination. See you soon.